Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Patricia Balkis binti Kamaruzali and I'll be explaining the TecSmart Electronics and also Baldrige criteria. So TecSmart Electronics is a company that designs, manufactures and repairs electronics power supplies for a range of different original equipment manufacturers in the computer, medical and office product industries. TecSmart also put Deming's 14 points for organizational improvement into practices. However, TecSmart's current CEO decided to follow the Baldrige criteria. So let us see deeper about Baldrige criteria. The Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award was established by the United States Congress in 1987 to start raising awareness of quality management and continual improvement. So basically, Baldrige is a non-prescriptive framework that emboldens your organization to achieve its objectives, enhance its results, and become more competitive. As a result, it integrates effective techniques on existing leadership and management issues into a set of questions that assist you in managing all of your organization's components as a unified whole. The Baldrige Performance Excellence Framework assesses 7 categories, which are leadership, strategy, customers, measurement, analysis and knowledge management, workforce, and lastly, operational results.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Organizations that apply for the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award (MBNQA) are selected based on achievement and improvement in 7 areas known as the Baldrige criteria for performance excellence. The first criteria of MBNQA is leadership. Leadership is about examining how senior management manage the organization based on its governance structure, ethics, legal and social responsibility, as well as how the organization leads within the community to achieve better results. For example, in the case of TecSmart Electronics, senior leaders define the organization's goals and direct cross-functional teams in reviewing and creating individual plans that will be presented to employees. Second, senior leaders teach courses in TecSmart University on change management, customer service, quality, and leadership, meet with customer suppliers and benchmarking partners, and are actively engaged in professional and community organizations. Last, the case study of TecSmart is all complaints are handled by the Vice President of Sales and resolved within 2 days. The Vice President is responsible for ensuring that any process that generated a complaint is improved. The second criteria is strategic planning. Strategic planning is about explains how the company develops alternative strategic goals and intends to put them into practice. It also discusses action plans to increase production capacity by addressing supply, personnel, and operational or process issues. This explanation can be further illustrated by referring to the situation in TecSmart Electronics, where each of department manager develops a supporting objective for each company objective, and nearly every employee works on a team to support these objectives. Second, TecSmart set Six Sigma goals for most of its processes and converted process measurements to parts per million on all product lines. Third, inputs to the strategic planning process include customer feedback, market research, and benchmarking information from customers, suppliers, competitors, and industry leaders. All managers evaluate team analysis at an off-site planning meeting resulting in long strategic planning documents that are discussed with the rest of the workforce as well as measure supplies feasibility. Next, the criteria of MBNQA is customer focus. Customer focus is about analyze the manner in which the company creates and maintains long-lasting relationships with its clients. There is the only one case study that we can relate with the criteria. All employees in TecSmart Electronics receive customer relationship training. Customer service employees help define service standards which are tracked on a routine basis. Next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farisha binti Abdul Ghaffar. I will explain about the next part. I will explain about the measurement, analysis, and knowledge management. It is examine how the organization analyze and improve its data, information, and knowledge asset to support key processes and manage performance. The TecSmart company collect operational data in every department and evaluate its information requirements in monthly senior staff meetings and cross-functional task team meetings. Next, all employees are trained in a 5-step problem-solving process based on defining problems, collecting data, analyzing the cause of problem, developing a solution, and implementing change. The TecSmart dissatisfaction survey, executive phone calls, and visit to gather up their customer satisfaction data. The TecSmart also held meetings with the customers so they could identify the needs and the requirement and review the process on each phase of the development process. Explain about human resource focus. What is mean by the human resource focus? It is examine how the organization empowers and involves its workforce in the organization work system that align with strategic objectives and action plans. The senior leaders of